campers. So here we have the pipe pretty well dug up around, and I could do more underneath it, but for now this is the deal. And what I'm wondering, so I'm doing visualization, doing the David McEwen strategy, and I visualize, I can clearly see the energy of the completed job. The septic clean out is already installed, and I have to visualize a pipe, the PVC pipe, and I think it is attached. Is it attached here? Maybe it's attached here. This is city water. This is where I don't know, maybe that's not it, but yeah, no, this is voltage. I don't know what this is. It could be this right here, or it could be this right down here. Could be this right there. Sewage holding tank. Oops. Sewage wastewater holding tank. Yeah, could be it down here. And there's my dog, and she's doing so much better. She keeps licking her sores. I'm trying not to let her do that. Okay, so I'm gonna send this off to Baltazar. If he comes through or not, I don't know. If he's gonna bring the stabilizing block or not, or I don't know, or it's gonna all be stabilized one way or another. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.